So here's the deal with homework. I show you what I'm doing. It doesn't mean it's necessarily the best thing to do. So this week on homework, we are going to right our wrongs and fix the mistakes we've made, because the mistake that I made was thinking that I could do seedlings inside and actually transplant them into the garden. So here's a look right now. I have so many different little pots of things. Here is my basil. It's very sad. You can see that it did not have enough sunlight. On some days, maybe no water. But I am ready to attempt to take my seedlings outside. I should share with you what you should be doing if you were doing it right. Once you have your seedlings sprouted, you should be starting to harden them off and take them outside for an hour one day, 2 hours the next, getting them used to the sunlight and the temperatures. No, none of that for me. I am very impatient. And so I'm just gonna pop them in the garden. And the cool thing about this will be is this is on video for posterity. And if these things grow, we now know we never have to do all of that pain in the serious gardening stuff ever again. This is not in a gardening book. What I kind of do here, I think, is just like turn this thing over and attempt to get like a clump into that hole and maybe another clump in that hole. This is about to be a hot mess. I'm not a huge fan of gloves when I'm gardening, so I have really chic black nails right now. I'm gonna give it a dump.
Mommy, that's what I made for you.
What you made? I mean, I should have used like the cute little pots and all the things made for that, but I didn't because I wanted a pretty pot.
Hey, Mom.
I just did everything I'm sure you're probably never, like, not supposed to do.
Hey,
But you know what? Let's
You
just
can smack it.
smooth it about and see what happens there. Look, I didn't even need 2 holes. I'll just, although my plants might not look good, I can put a label in because that's cute. Great. It's like dead, dying, but at least its label is very cute. So what my plan is gonna be is if this doesn't perk up in the next week, I'm gonna order some basil. I already ordered some tomatoes. Next hot mess of a pot. So I've already done some, I didn't show you them all. This is what I did here. They're basically gonna die. Here's the tomato that I ordered from the garden center. At first, when I first put these in my dining room, it was very cute and romantic that I was trying to do seedlings after having failed miserably a couple years in a row many years ago, saying I would never do them again. So I tried again, and I'm back on the earlier opinion that I'm terrible at it. I'm literally just turning them over and putting them in. And then in a week or two, I'll thin them out and leave one survivor and see if they live. See, you're done, you're done. That's what I have. Peppers. Who wants peppers? I feel like these might actually survive. Maybe I'm selling myself short. Let's just take our tried and true method, digging a hole the size of our pot. We're gonna tip it over. Uh-oh. Coming out like the others. All right, here we go. Not happy. Basically, I hold these little lives in the palm of my hand and I'm gonna just put them over. That's enough. That's enough little peppers. You're gonna survive. So now I feel like the key is planting a lot of extras, knowing you only need a few to survive. Honestly, if these things live, it's gonna be a miracle. So if you were with me and doing seedlings, I would say the best advice I can give you is, after you finish watching this, go to Google and see what you're really supposed to do. So homework this week is to pop your seedlings in the ground and hope they live. Homework.